I love to see you try. So get away. This is one of the most legendary creatures of all time. The frog. If you've ever heard of such thing, then you are the master of catching poisonous creatures. Oh, the triumphant reward in life of this beautiful creature sure is to exist in one dimension. And if you've seen anything like it, or like of it, you know what to do. And it has to be carried from vicious predators such as this. The Hippocritamus, the most evil, vile creature to witness the whole extinction of the earth. These things are said to have loved their owners, but bite back the hand that feeds them. Known to eat such vicious prey, they tend to be the most dangerous creature of them all, for their most disgusting-like appearance and their plastic, dead bodies. These things tend to come alive at night, and they mainly eat your loved one. And that loved one is considered to be the frog. Now it's time to see this creature in action. Let's take a look, shall we? Roar, roar, roar. The frog died in real life, but this is Ghost caught on camera. Say hi to the camera, and I physically touch him because it's actually a ghost. It's a lie that you can't touch ghosts. Ghosts can touch you, but you can't touch them. So this is actually a ghost that I'm touching right now. If you want to see this ghost in real life, please, I will show you my fake address. My fake address is 92 Westward Moon. I live on the moon. My house is on the moon. And then I go to Earth when I'm hungry. Well, that's when I start eating. That's when I start eating these. See you guys soon for part 2.